We really think that type 2 diabetes is the next big epidemic that's coming around the corner. The Center for Disease Control has already sounded the alarm bells around diabetes being the next big epidemic that's going to break the healthcare bank. Our data is beginning to show that dairy foods are not only not a part of the problem, they may be a part of the solution to the diabetes epidemic.
Published peer-reviewed studies indicate higher intakes of dairy foods are associated with a reduced risk for type 2 diabetes compared with low dairy consumption.
The evidence is growing. A meta-analysis showed a 14% reduction in risk for type 2 diabetes in adults with the highest dairy consumption compared with those consuming the least. And an Australian study found a nearly 50% reduction in risk among men when comparing the highest dairy consumption with those consuming the least.
Science is investigating vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and protein, nutrients found in dairy foods and beverages, for their roles in maintaining normal glucose metabolism and reducing diabetes risk.
There's so much mounting evidence that consumption of dairy products, whether it's milk, cheese, or yogurt, is of tremendous benefit, not only because of the nutrients that are in dairy, but because of the other components in dairy that then help to reduce the risk for developing type 2 diabetes.
The Dairy Research Institute, established under the leadership of America's dairy farmers, advances the technical research needed to drive innovation and demand for dairy products and ingredients. The Dairy Research Institute brings to light the evidence of dairy's role in meeting the health and nutritional needs of Americans. Working with National Dairy Council, this information, published in peer-reviewed journals, is actively shared with the public health community.